The Building Committee of Metro Community SDA Church kindly invites you to a fundraiser in aid of the church building, which needs an urgent total roof replacement. This project is estimated to cost about $100,000. Your donation will help us salvage this house of worship. The fundraiser will be on Saturday, December 19th, 2015 as from 7 p.m. at the church ground. The address is 1211 Thornhill Drive in Arlington, Texas 76011. The address once again is 1211 Thornhill Drive in Arlington, Texas 76011. May God bless you abundantly. We are a 501c3 for tax purposes. You can as well write off your taxes with us. Account number will be provided. We are a Metro Community SDA Church in Arlington, Texas. We are fortunate to be in a community that needs support. To better serve God's people, your contribution, even $1, matters a lot and can reach many and bring them to God's glory. May the Almighty God bless you abundantly as you reach into your pocket to support us. Once again, for more information, log on to gofundme.com/Metro Community. For more information or donation online, gofundme.com/Metro Community. For more details, metrocommunitysdachurch.com.